Spend all your time waiting for that second chance, for the break that will make it okay. There's always some reason to feel not good enough, and it's hard at the end of the day. I need some distraction. So tired of the straight line, and everywhere you turn, there's vultures and fleas at your back. The storm keeps on twisting, you keep on building the lies that you make up for all that you lack. It don't make no difference. Escaping one last time, it's easier to believe in this sweet madness, oh, this glorious sadness that brings me to my knees in the arms of the angel. Fly away from here, from this dark, go to the room, and the endlessness that you feel. You are part from the wreckage of your silent reverie. You're in the arms of the angel. May you find some comfort here. You're in the arms of the angel. May you find some comfort here. I